In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do the ghost effect transition in CapCut PC. If you want to create that cool cinematic look where a duplicate of your video seems to pull away, expand and fade out like a ghost, this is a very simple way to do it. The effect works by stacking a copy of your footage above the original clip, then animating that top layer with keyframes so it grows larger and becomes transparent over a very short moment. The result is smooth, stylish, and perfect for dramatic edits. To begin, go down to your timeline and click on the video clip you want to use. Once it's selected, copy it with Ctrl+C, then paste it with Ctrl+V. After that, take the duplicated clip and drag it straight up onto a new track lane directly above the original footage. This part is important because the top clip will act as the ghost overlay. Make sure the beginning edges of both clips line up exactly. If they are even slightly off, the effect won't look clean, so take a second to align them perfectly. Next, place your playhead at the very first frame of the top overlay clip. With that upper clip selected, go to the top right Properties panel, then open Video and Basic. Here you'll see settings like Scale and Opacity. Click the small diamond icon next to Scale, and then click the diamond next to Opacity as well. This sets your starting keyframes and tells CapCut to remember the clip's current size and visibility at the beginning of the animation. Now move your playhead forward just a tiny amount, around 10 to 15 frames. This short distance is what makes the transition feel quick and cinematic rather than slow. Return to the same Properties panel and raise the scale value to about 140%, so the top clip expands outward. Then lower the opacity all the way to 0%. As soon as you change those values, CapCut automatically creates the second set of keyframes for you. What happens now is simple but effective. The duplicate layer starts at normal size and full visibility, then rapidly scales up while fading away. That creates the illusion of a phantom-like copy peeling off from the main footage. And that's it. You've created a classic twin-layer duplicate animation using simple scale and opacity keyframes. Preview it a few times to make sure the timing feels right, and if needed, slightly adjust the frame distance for a faster or softer ghost effect. Done!